Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here again with another promo code you can use to save some bucks on the solar power and battery stuff. Okay, this is from Acopower. So we've been affiliates of Acopower for a long time, and we have a code here that'll save you 10% on anything that you buy from this company. So let's just go here to solar power. Let's throw something in there. Let's throw a battery in there or something like that here. Let's throw here's a 100-watt panel, and we can verify that the code works, and hopefully they'll save you guys some bucks. All right, we'll throw that in the cart. Oh, there's one in there already. There's a 200-watt in there already. Okay, and then let's go throw a battery in there and make sure that it works on all their stuff and help you guys save some bucks. That's the whole key of this, is to help people learn about solar power and get the best product for the best price. That's absolutely what the whole goal is here. All right, here, let's just choose an option of a battery here. Let's just throw it in the cart, and then I'll show you the promo code, and you can use it if you want. All right, let's go to checkout here. Ooh, 900 bucks. That's scary already. All right, let's go check here. This is their checkout page. And then we're going to type in the promo code is Ramblin Bob. It's Rambling with no G, B-O-B, and then reviews. That's our promo code. And that should save you 10% off anything you buy. There you go, 890 bucks and 29 cents off. That is our Ramblin Bob Reviews code. It's good for 2026 and forward, so 2026, obviously the year forward. And get out there and save some bucks. All right, bye guys.